A fire that charges your phone, an electronic multi-tool, a penthouse tent, and a portable espresso machine. These gadgets and more mean that going camping no longer means roughing it. Know before you go! Number 1. Casio Pro Trek Smart WSD F30. The WSD F30 isn't just a smartwatch, it's water resistant up to 5 atmospheres, and it has passed US military rugged tests for shock, vibration, low pressure, humidity, ice, high and low temperatures, and temperature shock. It has an OLED screen for smartwatch features and apps, and a monochrome LCD screen for standard watch features. This saves battery power, making it a viable option for hiking and trekking. It has a barometer, altimeter, compass, gyroscope, and accelerometer, so it can count your steps, swimming strokes, altitude climbed, and calories burned. You can also download maps to its internal 4GB memory and use them offline. Number 2. Biolite Campstove 2. The Biolite Campstove isn't just a place where you can safely start a fire. This stove has internal fans to improve combustion, making it easy to start and maintain a fire. It also comes with a 3200 mAh battery that is charged by a thermoelectric generator, changing heat from your fire into electricity that you can use to charge your phone or connect an LED light to the USB port. An integrated LED display shows you battery power levels, fan speeds, and fire heat, so you know when to throw on some more sticks. Accessories are also available to make cooking quicker and easier. The Kessil pot allows you to boil up to 1.5 litres of water quickly and also acts as a carry case for your camp stove. And the portable grill gives you enough space to cook 4 burgers at the same time, or 6 hot dogs, or a medium-sized rabbit, depending on your preferences. Number 3. Somewhere Labs Global Hotspot. You may be going camping, hiking, or trekking to disconnect from everyday life, stress, emails, and phone calls, and one of the benefits of the great outdoors is the lack of cell phone coverage, but that's not always a good thing. In the event of an emergency, getting lost, or needing to contact someone, being able to connect instantly would be a great thing, right? The Global Hotspot allows you to do just that. The device itself connects to the Iridium satellite network and offers precise GPS tracking wherever you are. It has an integrated SOS message button, and with 10-minute interval tracking, the battery will last 10 days. It floats and is water resistant at a depth of up to 6 feet for 30 minutes. In addition to this, if you download the app to your phone, you can receive weather reports, chat with family and friends, and share your location with anyone, anytime, and anywhere. Number 4. EST Gear Survival Shovel. Yes, I know the words survival and shovel don't sound like they should be used together, but in this case they definitely should. A shovel, a hoe, an axe, a saw, a screwdriver, whistle, fire steel, compass, knife, fish scaler, bottle opener, ruler, rope cutter, and wrench. 18 tools made from military-grade carbon steel and aerospace-grade aluminium. It has a lifetime replacement guarantee and all packs away into a handy pouch. Number 5. Switch 10 Multitool Solar Kit. The Switch 10 is so much more than just a 3000 mAh battery. Connect it to the Nomad 7 solar panel and in 4 to 6 hours it's fully charged. Then you can use its built-in LED light or connect the USB torch attachment for an even brighter light. It allows you to quick charge phones, cameras, and any other USB powered tech. Connect it all to the solar panel and hang the panel on your backpack, and you can charge all your gadgets on the go. Or connect the USB fan attachment and you can stay cool while you walk. Number 6. Wakaco Nanopresso. If you love coffee as much as you love the great outdoors, then the worst thing about camping to you is probably the crappy cup of instant you have to have in the morning. Well, it doesn't have to be that way. The Nanopresso can make you a fresh espresso whenever and wherever you want. Just fill its 80 milliliter water tank with hot water, fill the filter basket with ground coffee, tamp it, close it, and pump it. The Nanopresso will pump the hot water through the ground coffee with a pressure of 18 bars, producing a perfect espresso. The Nanopresso also has various accessories to heighten your coffee experience. An NS adapter makes it compatible with NS capsules. A barista kit gives you a larger water tank and 3 filter baskets so you can make double espressos. And the Nano Vessel allows you to carry 210 milliliters of hot water with you and keeping it warm for hours so you don't even have to build a fire to enjoy the perfect cup of coffee. Number 7. MSR Mini Works EX. Having the equipment to make the perfect cup of coffee is useless if you don't have any water, and that's where the MSR water filter comes in. This filter can produce a litre of clean potable water every minute. Its replaceable carbon and ceramic filter cartridge removes 99.9999% of bacteria and 99.9% of protozoa, as well as pesticides, unpleasant tastes and odours, and one cartridge can filter up to 2,000 litres of water. It's small, only 7.5 inches tall, and also lightweight, weighing just 1.3 pounds. Number 8. Lunatec Aquabot. The Lunatec Aquabot is a water bottle, but not just a normal water bottle. It can hold 25 ounces of water that you can drink or spray. Its unique pump and nozzle means that you can spray a jet of water up to 25 feet, which is great for cleaning grime or water fights. You can select the shower mode, which is ideal for cleaning dishes, washing hands, rinsing off dust or sand, or cleaning cuts and scratches. Or you can choose the mist mode, which is great for cooling yourself, your kids, pets, or car seats. You can even attach a strap to the Aquabot, making it very easy to carry. Number 9. Yakima Sunrise Tent. If a tent is an apartment, then the Yakima Sunrise Tent is a penthouse. Available in 2 different sizes, a 2-person and a 3-person. It uses your vehicle's roof as a platform for the tent. Once attached to your vehicle's roof rack, it can be erected and collapsed easily in just a few minutes. It comes with a 2.5-inch foam mattress, mesh windows for ventilation and stargazing, and PU-coated nylon fly for rain protection. The tent's elevated position gives you protection from the wildlife and pests, whilst affording you the sensation of being a cut above other lowly ground-dwelling campers. Which of these gadgets was your favourite? Comment below. Please give us a like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more.